Hey YouTube, so we got duck today. We are at the Cape Charles KOA, also known as the Chesapeake Bay KOA. It's like if you get Virginia Beach, like right above Virginia Beach, there's these little like kind of big island inlet things, and there's a whole highway system that goes across all these little things. So anyway, what are ducks and what are they for? So this is a duck right here. Looks like a duck that you'd use like in a bathtub, but they're very, very tiny in relationship. And so like you can see, I can fit in my hand. Very small ducks. So anyway, the way it works is basically you purchase a bunch of ducks. I don't know how much they cost. I'm assuming they're not terribly expensive. But you purchase a bunch of these ducks, and then you put a sticker on the bottom of them to kind of like explain what the duck is even for. But it's a very common thing in the United States right now, at least, and maybe it's even beyond the United States, where people will have these ducks, and they look around for Jeeps that they like, and then they leave a duck, basically. And then you post on social media that you got ducked, and it's just a thing, like and there are all kinds of different ducks. Apparently we got the pirate duck, which is kind of cool, and we will probably have to get some ducks so we can duck people, but I'm gonna hold on to this one because this is our first duck, so that's like really cool. So anyway, we will see you guys around, and like I said, we are currently at Cape Charles KOA, so this is like a live video essentially, because if I post it today, and you'll probably see the footage for this campground in a week or two on our channel, or you might see it on a different channel. Big surprise coming up, hopefully. So we're not going to give out too many details on that yet. So anyway, we will see you guys around, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.